silang nagbigay sa atin ng angking buhay.
They gave us life.
That we own. Kanilang pagmamahal ay taos-puso at tunay.
Their love is from the heart and real.
Kaya ating mahalin habang sila'y may buhay.
So love them while they are still here.
Pagmamahal sa kapwa ay isang balat kayo.
To love another is pretentious.
Pag ikaw ay tumutulong dahil lang sa motibo.
Help only because of an ulterior motive.
Kung ang ginagawa mo ay pakitang tao,
If all that you do is just for show,
sa katotohanan lang ikaw ay hipokrito.
to be real, then you are a hypocrite.
Pagmamahal sa kabiyak ay ating panatilihin.
To love your spouse or your partner, you should maintain.
Pagmamahal sa mga anak ay lalong dibdibin.
Love our children even more.
Sapagkat ang mga supling ay sariling atin.
Children come from us.
Tulad ng bayan na dapat at laging mahalin.
Like our motherland, we should also love.
Pagmamahal natin sa asawa ay hindi biro.
To love our partner or spouse.
Pag ikaw ay napakasal, ito ay ating pangako.
Get married, it is a promise.
Gagawin ang lahat, lumigay lang ang puso.
We will do everything just to make our heart happy.
Kaya ang sabi nga, kabiyak ka ng puso.
That's why we say the other half of your heart.
Kabiyak means the other half. The word heart. That's why one heart, when you get married, there's only one heart. That's why when you remove the other, see that's what you need. That's why getting married is a condition of the heart. That's why marriage, they say, is forever. Although that is also unfitting because they have the amen. They are contradicting the lot of things to discuss. Subalit kung ang kabiyak ay wala sa kaisipan,
If your other heart, or
other half,
if your better half is out of your mind,
makasariling layunin ang laging pinagpipilitan.
your self-interest is what you impose.
Kaya ating nayuyurakan ng pinagsumpaan
And that's why we step on what we promise.
na bubuho sa pamilya na dapat pangalagaan.
This is why it
Bubuho ang
destroys
pamilya.
families. It destroys families.
Ang puso natin ay pula at kakulay ng dugo.
Our hearts are red and the same color of blood.
Dugong nananalaybay sa maugat ng tao.
The blood that goes through the veins of a person.
At dahil sa puso, ang dugo ay tumatakbo
It's because of the heart that the blood runs,
nang tayo mabuhay sa pintig ng puso.
so that we could live to the feet of the heart.
Ang puso ay simbolo nga ng ating
And
pag-ibig.
they say that the heart is a symbol of love.
Hindi lang romansa at puro kabig ng dibdib.
It is not just romance, it's not just about hip skipping about you.
Kabig ng dibdib, just I want you, I love you. I love you, I want you, I need you. So I. Have you noticed that? In our language, it's different. We have iniibig kita that is like I like you. I like you. But there is word we use mahal kita. Meaning you love her, not I like you, not I want you, not I need you.
The focus is on the other person.
I love you.
Kami ang huling gumamit, iwan namin
So,
dyan.
this
May
is
naman
not
ko
in
kape
English.
kagabi.
The English language, I love you. I love you. That's why I love it. Very romantic. I can compare it to English language. Right. Kaya when you love somebody, say,
Ibig sabihin ginamit siya.
mahal ka. Say, is mahal ka.
Tanungin ko kay Donnie.
I love you. See, I. Ang kaligayahan niya ang laging ang kaligayahan niya ang lagi natin sa isip.
Their happiness we should always think about.
Her happiness, his happiness is always what's in your mind. Sundan ng pagkilos at katunayan ang pagkilos.
Follow it up with action and prove your love.
That's it. Thank you.